This ain't working. Sheet. Aha. Most chainsaw bars have this hole. And you can use that for your advantage. Because something like that. My very first idea was using 2 of these because that's fitting in there as well. The only problem was you have like 2 next to each other, then it's not really stable in here, and to prevent the chain from touching the metal, what actually happened here, so it's no good for your chain. You need some spacers. That means if you have these 2 mounted on here, you need to get your chainsaw in between of these 2 parts, then get this through the first one, then adding some kind of spacers, going through the chainsaw, add another spacer through the next angle part, and then screwing it all on. It's fumbly work, and these spacers I used, I don't know, they got hot and they are a bit flexible. It's PVC pipe. It was a pain in the butt, so to say. Now, what I came up with, and one with a rubber seal, so it won't open by the vibrations. Nice and tight. The other ones I just welded on. I only have to work with one side. Now these 2 rusty nails, they have a purpose. See these little holes? Chainsaw in. 1 nail through here, other one through there. They will prevent the whole thing to come back up. Of course, you have to adjust that thing to the needs of your chainsaw. Like, for example, the distance from the hole to the tip. Not that you're hitting the metal around here. The other thing, chainsaw will sit on that bit if you don't cut it off. So cut this piece here, that the chain gets all the way lower than this height, because this is where the wood will sit on. This bit stops the wood on pushing backwards from the chain rotation. And I actually forgot this, doing it in the beginning with some metal or somehow, but I screwed on this board here. That gives me the length of my oven. So I move the wood in approximately around here, cut it, and I have the perfect length. I'm loving it. See the pile of wood I just did in a couple of minutes with my baby. Now I'd like to know from you, what do you think about it? Do you have any concerns? Will you build it by yourself? Let me know in the comments. And for further homestead hacks, hit the subscribe button. Thank you, and see you next time.